Next, we have encryption policy or cryptographic policy. Document control page with document ID. We have related documents, confidentiality statement, and there are a list of contents. So we see for all encryption. So we see encryption cycle, encryption requirements, what could be the key management, how we encrypt data at rest, data in transit, what are the different cryptographic algorithms we use. So there are algorithms which might be blacklisted in some of the countries. There might be some algorithms which are weak. So depending on the strength and the regulatory requirements, we select the algorithms. Encryption for third-party service and cloud providers, we see for mobile devices and remote access. Encryption for sensitive data. So last policy we discussed on backups. So how we encrypt the backups. Encryption for emails and file transfers. Encryption for cloud services and infra. So we endpoint protection. So all these topics. So encryption for development and testing environments. And encryption for VPNs. So these are some of the things we see, what kind of encryption we are looking at. So the objective, so we have this encryption policy for the guidelines to use encryption technologies to protect our company data and resources. And this is the purpose of policy. So we have confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. Apart from CI triad, we have authenticity as well here. So data and information assets are protected against attacks over these factors. And ensuring compliance with applicable laws, regulation, and industry standards. So as we are doing for SOC2, it's including SOC2. And these are some of the other requirements, what we are trying to accomplish by defining this encryption policy. So roles and responsibilities, this is generic for mostly all of the policies. So here we have some of, as a new one. So security team will provide guidance and support to the employees on encryption related matters. And they review the encryption technologies, algorithms, and key management process. Also for employees and contractors, they protect the encryption keys. So we have encryption keys and sensitive data. So it's the responsibility of employee to protect the encryption keys. And there are some different responsibilities here as for others. We have defined some other policies, right? So from there, we have some kind of other requirements so that we have discussed here. You can take a look. From scope, this applies to all individuals, employees, contractors, as well as the information assets. So it may be data stored on servers, database, or storage system, data transmitted over network, which we call as data in transit, and this is data at rest. Data stored on mobile devices or removable media and endpoint devices. So this is a separate topic. Encryption keys and key management process.